take it from there.
Huh?
Just forward that all.
That's why. Slowly, slowly.
You're recording?
Oo. Slowly running. Very nice.
Stop.
Nice lighting, no? Hello, guys. No, it's evening already. Ang ganda ng ano, lighting. Happy Tihor! Hello guys! Our pretty Kathleen. Say hello guys. Ayan, ang sarap ng aming dry picnic. Ayan. Hi, Nicole.
Moto.
Spaghetti pababa.
Oh, Sophia! Mommy!
Ajur,
I want to wear socks.
Okay, remove your socks.
Sophia, rice is Sophia.
No.
Rice, a little to finish.
Sophia.
What's that, Sophia? Ang dami, oh.
Why did you nakatungog?
Nagulo-gulo unta. Good job, Sophia. Si Sophia, enjoy, oh.
Bakit yan na? Bunso! Abante! That's backward!
Sida. Oh, come. Si Nicole takot. Pati takot na rin si ano. Siya mo din Sophia, oh.
Bunso! Bunso!
Picture ko rin.
Apat!
Round.
Oh, round! Demanding to Donald!
Yan, nagpicnic kami. Oh, hi Dada. Ang aming Dada handsome. Yung tatlo, oh. Yan si Tita Bella. Picnic. Ang aming,
Naliwanin on. Hindi, isi guys, hindi mo ni Mian dyan. After dyan, against the yes, sila mag-check. Okay.
Si Madam busy-busy nagpaypay.
Lalo si China. Mami si Chako.
Ang daming tao eh.
Mangga pala. Ito nga naman po.
Ayun. Kapag tigmangga, punta tayo mag-harvest.
Nagpupunta po mangga dito.
Ang ganda ng ano oh. Ito guys, parks dito namin. Ano ba to, Nangka? I think this is Nangka. Ang ganda ng ano nila. Ang cute ng mga flowers. Kayo play na there ah. Meron pang ano. Ang ganda ng mga flowers guys oh. sorry, excuse me. Ayun, ano daw sila. Sasakay sila ng duyan. Duyan.
Okay, but me, tita susit bag, hukiri, para naman ako ito babaligyan ng bag. Papay also.
So,
Saan si Sophia? Sit there, Sophia.
kayo go.
Oh, amanitik for a picture. Portrait.
Saging papaya. Where you go? Watermelon, water.
Sana yun ang magpipicture. May mobile is there.
Si Madam tagang ulos nagpapaypay si Madam na ang init sa Nepal kasi walang snow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Uy, Dad. Oh my God, Sophia. Wish and make blow. Happy birthday, Daddy. Oh, sleep, Sophia. Lay down. Kaluin, Sophia. Lay down. Sleep. Leave it na. Oh, wish, Daddy. And then blow your candle. Guys, nag-wish pa siya, guys. Happy birthday, Daddy. May God bless you. Love you so much. Thank you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Guys, pasensya na guys kasi yung video. Ano? Kalo ano sa paya, guys. See, guys. 12 o'clock, Pilpitin, ni-wake up ang dad. She make it wake up. Eating the cake. Happy birthday, Daddy. Si Sophia. Oh my God. Kalo sa may baby. Wake up ni Daddy. Uy!
Aya.
Oh my God. Uy, wake up these kids here. You read na. Enough na dato again tomorrow again. Sophia, your
My
birthday.
best daddy, thank you for your love and care. I love you so much. Much of joy. Daddy, I love you very much, Daddy. Daddy, God bless you. I love you very much, Daddy. 10,000 times.
Ay, sleep na Sophia. Look at Sophia, guys. Oh, ginigising ng daddy niya. Sophia wrote, make it the DIY card, guys. As usual. Yun, mga love siya pa siya, guys. And then, pa siya sa what?
Ganyan.